When a benefit broker works with us at Self Insured Reporting, our first focus is to get them out of the spreadsheets that they are using. And our team works with them to do that. We fully convert them so that they throw those spreadsheets away, even before we receive a claims feed on their groups.
By having the reinsurance contract and all fixed costs combined with the claims and enrollment information, you can really do about any type of reporting you can imagine.
Self-Insured Reporting is a robust platform. We really like it because it's customizable to our colors and logos.
Budget reports, various reinsurance reporting such as aggregate reporting, and large claim 50% of specific deductible reporting, IBNRs, renewal projections using midpoint to midpoint underwriting, it's all there.
All of the reporting that used to be done manually becomes automated. Self-insured reporting saves a significant amount of time and money. And most important, the reporting is accurate.
What we find is that once you take the burden of actually creating the reports off of the employee benefit broker, they have time to take a look at the reports, to look at the analytics and develop strategies to control cost instead of spending all their time trying to create the reports.